Hello guys, welcome to another session. In this session, we are going to learn about text color. So let's jump into the Visual Studio Code to understand this topic. So we are into the Visual Studio Code and the kind of setup we are having for this example is like this. We are having an HTML document. Along with that, we are also having a CSS file which is being attached with this HTML document. And with the help of this example, we are going to decorate this HTML page to learn the text color. But prior to writing the CSS, I wanted to show you the output without applying the CSS so that you can identify the differences. So let's run it. Select this HTML file, press F1. It will give us this option. Now click on open in browser. So here you will see that this is the output without applying the CSS. So what we are going to in this example is that we are going to change the color of this paragraph where it is written author Mukesh Ranjan, and for each of these author part we are going to provide some different foreground color as well as the background color. So let's jump into the Visual Studio Code. But prior to writing the CSS, I wanted to tell you that text color details. In CSS, we are having two types of text color representation. One is foreground and another one is for background. So if you write color that represent the foreground color, we will look into this example how to apply foreground color as well as the background color. But prior to that, I'm going to create a class called author. For each of the paragraph we are going to associate a class, paste it, and here we will also paste for the last one, paste it as well. Now let's create author class in CSS. So we are going to use the class selector. For that we use dotted notation class. Here we will tell that class name author, and here we will specify color. Whenever if you are telling that color, that is representing foreground color. So color we are going to tell that brown. We need to now specify background color, and then here you will mention yellow. Now save it and let's jump into the browser to see the effect. So we are into the browser and you will see here the effect. It has applied brown color to the text and the background is yellow. So this is the way you can apply the text color. Same way what you can do, you can also introduce the header. So here you can introduce h1 header and tell that h1 and tell that my blogs. So here now we will specify that the class which we are going to create for header is called header, and we can tell over here dot header, and then we will specify the color we are going to keep it black only, and the background color gray. Save it. Let's jump into the browser. So here you will find that we have applied foreground color as well as the background color to the text of the header. Instead of black, we should use white. That looks good. So here we can tell that white. Save it. Let's look into the output. Yeah, it is looking good. So this is what I wanted to demonstrate you in this session. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Take care.